Students, welcome to the first session, and today I will introduce you to your syllabus for students taking part in the Cambridge International AS and A-Level Physics 9702 syllabus. So this is a downloadable PDF and it is available on the Cambridge website. I recommend you to download this and go through a few points and few important points that you must know in the physics syllabus. So this syllabus is for exams in 2025, 2026 and 2027, and these exams are available in June and November series, and for India it is also available in March. So let's go over a few points in this syllabus. Let's see. First, what topics are covered in physics. So, as you see here, this topic 1 to topic 11 is for AS students only. And for A-level student, you need to know everything, including the AS topics. So everything. So let's see the papers that you're going to take part in. For example, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5. You have 5 papers, but only for AS students, only these papers you are requested to know these papers 1 to 3. Okay, and for for A-level, everything is needed for you. So these are for A-level. And there are some specific topics that you need to know when you're taking part in the papers. For example, paper 1, you need to study only the AS topics for paper 1. For paper 2, of course, only the AS topic. For paper 3, only the AS topics, which you will be required to understand experimental skills in, and it is a practical session, of course, for the AS, only the AS topics. And for paper 4, you will need to know only A-level topics, so for A-level students only. And paper 5 is for A-level students only, and you need to know the experimental skills and answer 2 compulsory questions, and it is 1 hour and 15 minutes, as you can see. And these are the weightage of each paper in the physics syllabus. The weightage, it will give you where you should score the maximum mark. Okay? For example, for A-level students, paper 4 is very important and you should score the most mark in this paper. It weighs more than the other 4 papers. As you can see, for AS students, the paper 2 is 46%, and this is more than the other 2 papers, and you need to score most of the mark in paper 2. So let's see other things you need to know. For example, let's see AS level subject content. So this gives you a detailed explanation on what you are expected to know on each topic. You see, each topic is detailed with everything. It says that candidates should be able to understand the weight of any object may be taken as acting at a simple point, no, as its center of gravity. So every point that 1, 2, 3, 4, you should know, okay? And let's see other things that you need to know for your syllabus. Okay, you need to know how to plot a graph. And I hope you know how to plot a graph. Okay, it's very important that you need to plot a graph, you need to draw a line of best fit, you need to calculate gradients of the graph, because it is going to be used for your calculation in other questions. For example, if you have a curve, you need to know how to calculate gradient at a point of the in the curve, at a point. So you know you have to draw a tangent to the curve and calculate the gradient to give at this specific point. And also, you have to interpret the graph, give an analysis, a conclusion. Okay, you have to use the linear law, y is equal to mx plus c, and solve problems, related problems. And estimate uncertainties is for paper 5. So in paper 5, the second part of the paper 5, you need to estimate uncertainties. It is very, very important for you to know. And drawing conclusion from a graph, okay, it's a hypothesis on what you have learned during the course. And let's see what are the skills you are required to know. Okay, as expected, you need to know mathematical skills. You need to know how to solve simple problems related to algebra, arithmetic, and geometry and trigonometry. So you need to go over these few things that you need to know before doing this course. Okay, on graphs, vectors, and most importantly, you must know how to use a calculator to do simple calculation. Okay, this I will not show you, but you have to know how to use your calculator. This is done in the O-level series, and this is just a summary of the quantities and symbols and the units. And this is a data and formula sheet. So some constants that you need not know. For example, you need not know the charge. It's 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. But these are already given to you. So you need not remember these things. And some of the formula is also given. You see? And this is available during paper 1, 2, and paper 4. So I guess that's all you need to know for your syllabus. And I will see you in the next video.